Gitaro kia Mount Kenya riu kironekana kuigwo gatagati ka uteti uria urahurwo ni thirikari na mung'ethaniro, na muno uteti uyu githiururukiria Ndereti ya kana kuri na uhotekeku wa gikundi kia mungiki kwanjiriria gwithegea weru gicigo-ini giki. Na riu atongoria Ngwataniro ya Azimio ni mang'etheire thirikari makiuga ati Kenya Kwanza irarahura Ndereti ino na mworoto wa kuhithirira mateta ma muingi wa Mount Kenya ati ni uhinyiriirio ni thirikari mugaru na ciraniro iria ciaheanitwo.
Tumeona njama ikifanywa kujaribu kufanya watu hawa ni watu ni wahalifu, ati ni mungiki na kadhalika.
We are seeing the profiling of Mount Kenya youth as mungiki, which amounts to an attempt by the regime to create an artificial crisis to justify violence against innocent youth from the mountain.
What has happened in the last 6 months to justify the statement and the proposition that there is an emergence of mungiki?
Ndereti ino yarurumurirwo thutha wa kunyitwo kwa Maina Njenga akirikana ari na matanya ma kururumura weru gikundi giki, na munini wa president Rigathi Gachagua mwena minister wa ugiteri wa thiini Professor Kithure Kindiki makoretwo makiruta mikana mihiu kuri andu aria magikorwo na matanya o mothe magucokaniriria na kumba gikundi gitari gitikirie ni watho.
Revival of those gangs cannot and will not be allowed. It is not possible.
About the resurgence of mungiki is but an excuse to start harassing and suppressing any political activity or reorganization in the mountain region.
Atongoria Azimio maugite ati ona mamwe mamendekithia megie magoti kuri onjoria maria mari thiini wa mutaratara wa watho wa kigina wa mwaka wa 2023 na 2024 ni makuhinyiriria aikari ya Mount Kenya aingi aria ni ahuri biashara.
See another onslaught on the chamas, the merry-go-rounds, another onslaught on those groupings that are quite predominant within Mount Kenya.
Kenya region ranks highest in uptick of the Women Enterprise Fund and the lowest in loan delinquency. And therefore, when you begin to look at this, women in the villages as whatever activity they're taking on as business activities, essentially what you're doing is killing that sector.
Hamwe na uo Azimio yugite de kwirorera president muhuru kuira Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta akihakwo ndoro ya gukuruhanio na mungiki na ningi makoria atongoria Mount Kenya kwaga gwitikira gutumiria ndeto ino.
Unwarranted and uncalled for attacks on His Excellency President Uhuru Kenyatta, the Azimio chairman must stop.
Azimio yugite ati Kenya Kwanza iri na mworoto wa kunina hinya wa atongoria a Mount Kenya na ciama cia kiuteti iria ciri na urumiriri munene wa gitaro giki makiana muhiano wa haro iria cikoretwo cigumiire kiama kia Jubilee.
We wish to remind the people of Mount Kenya that the attempt to target, isolate and finish established leaders and political parties of the region has happened before with grim consequences.